Transform your stunning AI creations into powerful branded visuals with this quick and easy logo integration guide. Let's start by navigating to your favorite scene generated by Leonardo AI for this tutorial. We'll be working with this beautiful interior shot. Now, open your chosen scene in your preferred photo editing software. I'm using General Photo Editing software. For this demonstration, make sure you have your brand logo file ready ideally. It will be a transparent PNG or SVG for the best results. Simply drag and drop your logo file directly onto your AI-generated artwork, as you can see. It appears as a new layer above our scene. The next crucial step is to adjust the logo's size and placement. Select the logo layer and use the transform tools to resize it so it fits proportionally within the scene. Think about where a real-world logo would naturally appear, like on a sign, a wall, or an object. Drag the logo to its desired location for this interior. Placing it on the prominent wall makes the most sense. We also want it to look integrated, not pasted on top, so adjust the opacity of the logo layer, slightly aim for a value that allows the scene's texture to subtly show through, making it appear part of the environment. For an even more natural look, consider adding subtle shadows or highlights to the logo. This can really help it recede into the scene and feel like it belongs. You can achieve this using the effects panel in your editing software. Experiment with options like drop shadow or inner glow with very small, soft settings. And there you have it. A seamlessly integrated logo that elevates your Leonardo AI creations. This simple technique adds a professional and branded touch to all your AI artwork.